Merong bagong bilihan ng skincare, body care, and hair care products in the Philippines where you can get products for just 200 plus, 100 plus, or even under 100 pesos. As in, sa sobrang mura dito, meron ka pa ring mabibili even if ang dala mo lang is 25 or even just 19 pesos. Ito yung store na baka nakita nyo nang lumalabas sa iba't ibang mga malls na color yellow, it's KKV. And as an informed consumer of skincare products and a skincare user for 10 years and more, syempre kailangan ko makita yung mga skincare products dito. So let's see if the products here are any good and if worth it ba siya kahit sobrang baba na ng presyo. So we're here now at KKV Gateway 2 and kapag pumunta kayo sa Gateway during the weekends and meron kayo nakikitang mga naka-yellow na paper bag, dito sila nang gagaling. As in, ito kasi one of their bigger branches to and punong-puno talaga to sa weekends. And actually, yung skincare, very small part lang siya ng mga stuff na binebenta nila rito. As in, meron din silang mga makeup, meron din silang mga accessories, jewelry, toys, stationery, and even mga food items, meron sila rito. And of course, yung mga anik-anik, yung mga abu-abubot, it's really that kind of store but bigger, as in 5 times or maybe even 10 times bigger. So tingnan natin kung okay ba yung mga options for skincare dito kasi bibili ako ng routine as in specifically para sa akin. As in para sa skin type, skin condition, and skin concerns ko. And hopefully habang nagsha-shopping ako, meron akong matutunan para makapag-share ako sa inyo ng tips on, let's say, not how to be overwhelmed or para mas maayos yung pagpili nyo ng skincare kapag kayo na yung nag-shopping dito. So kuha na tayo ng cart. Actually, kulang pa lang basket. Ayan, lagay natin dito and ready na magpabudol sa KKV. So first sa essentials natin, maghanap tayo ng face wash or cleansers. Actually, hindi ko sure kung nakahilera sila ng by brand or by category. As in, first time ko talaga bumili ng skincare dito, kaya hindi ko pa alam kung paano nakaayos-ayos yung mga gamit-gamit. As in, naninibago talaga ako. Okay, so meron ako nakitang mga cleansers dito. I guess we can start with this row. So apparently, this is a brand called 934 or 9 3/4, hindi ko alam. But they have a product called Cloud Cleanser. And tinitingnan ko yung mga cleansing agents niya sa likod. In fairness sodium cocoyl glycinate, disodium lauryl sulfosuccinate, yun yung mga gentle cleansing agents na nakikita natin sa ibang mga skincare products na low pH, potassium cocoyl glycinate. In fairness this might just be a low pH gentle cleanser. And yung ganitong size niya, 50 grams, 179 pesos. Pwede na. Itong bigger version niya, 299 for 100 grams. Okay, moderately priced. Parang medyo similar sa drugstores. Meron din dito, ito, 199 lang siya, pero 120 grams na. Hindi ko mabasa, I'm so sorry po. Tae-Chang Gaoshi. Huy! But anyway, this is their amino acid mild cleanser. Tingnan natin kung mild nga talaga. Sodium cocoyl glycinate, sodium lauryl glutamate, cocamidopropyl betaine, gentle cleansing agents. In fairness 199 and 120 grams na siya. I think ma-add to cart. So, i-add ko lang siya sa cart para alam ko lang yung mga products na parang nasa radar ko na or parang na-narrow down ko na to these options. Not necessarily kapag na-add to cart ko, kukunin ko na agad. Parang short list lang, ganon. Meron din silang 89 pesos na facial cleanser pero parang sachet lang siya. This is the Unicat Vitamin C Whitening Facial Cleanser. Naku, yan na naman tayo sa whitening Usually, the better term is brightening and lightening. Pero I guess kasi mabenta talaga kapag sa Asia yung term na whitening. So, di maiwasan. Gentle din yung cleansing agents niya. In fairness Ito naman is a makeup remover balm. Oh my God! Na nakasachet? First time ako nakakita ng ganito. Smoothie makeup remover. And it's 199 pesos. So I'm very curious about it. Parang ma-add to cart din to. Naku, ano ba yan? Parang third product pa lang nakikita ko, i-add to cart ko na siya agad. Pero very interesting kasi. Although I'm not sure if this is the type of makeup remover na nag-emulsify. Yung parang kapag nilagay mo siya ng water, mag-turn white siya and then madali na lang siyang banlawin. Pero sige, i-try natin, i-add to cart natin to. They actually have so many other cleansing balms here and meron pa ngang mas mababa yung price. Tingnan niyo to, this is a brand called Rocking Zoo. Ang taray ng mga pangalan dito, kung ano-ano. Rocking Zoo, di ba? I love it. But these are just 159 pesos. So ganito sila na cleansing balm na kaliit. As in, ganyan siya kaliit Ganyan. So again, maganda pang travel. And meron pa sila rito sa baba. As in, buong hilera siya of cleansing balms, mga makeup removers, meron silang naka-box na ganito. Parang travel size na mga makeup removers. I think ganito siya. So I think ganito yung itsura niya. Ito yung smaller version. Cleansing card yung tawag nila. For 3 pieces, I think that's a little bit. Pero kung i-compare natin tong dalawa, ito kasi 199 to 159. 50 grams na to So, konti na lang dumami na. So, I think I might still get this one. So, move na tayo to the end. Ito naman, cleansing oils. So, basically, ito, kapag gusto mo yung solids na i-melt mo siya sa skin, tapos hindi siya sobrang makalat. Pero ito, kung sa bahay lang naman kayo nagsi-skincare or nagtatanggal ng makeup, then this section might be specifically for you. Meron din silang mga micellar waters sa baba. Nasa 199 peso range siya. Ito yung pinakamura nila, I think, 159. It's their own brand, KKV. It's the Pure and Fresh Makeup Remover. Confirmed, hindi siya alcohol-based, so it might work or it might be good for even sensitive skin types. And it's the type na kapag binuksan mo siya, hindi ko ma-open kasi nakaseal siya eh. Pero pag binuksan mo siya, meron siyang parang nakaganon. Tapos, ipapress mo na lang yung cotton pad mo, tapos mababasa na siya. In fairness, we love convenient packaging. Parang ma-add to cart din to. Very interesting to. Alright, so tingin naman tayo dito sa other side ng section na to. I think kasi ito na lang yung mga cleansing products. So I guess dito na yung mga toners and moisturizers. They seem to be in just one section. So, tingin pa tayo sa ibang mga products dito. Okay, so nahanap ko na meron sila mga moisturizers. This is interesting. So, this one is a ceramide moisturizer for sensitive and redness-prone skin. Very interesting siya. It's the brand Peterson's Lab and it's called the Barrier Adaptogen Lotion. So, when you see the term na adaptogen, that usually means meron siyang some sort of mushroom extract. Medyo bagong technology siya sa skincare, yung adaptogen. It's not something na parang must-have mo in your skincare products. Pero kapag combined siya with tried and tested ingredients like for example ceramides, then it could be a good addition. In fairness, ito meron din siyang beta-glucan and phytosphingosines which promote yung ceramide production ng skin natin if I'm not mistaken. Parang gusto ko ng something na mas sulit. Meron silang mga sets dito, tingnan nyo. So meron ng 4-step skincare routine, meron na rin silang ganito. And oh my God, ito yung sobrang mura. So itong dalawa, 299 pesos. And then this one is just 129. Oh my God. Although ito, feeling ko high pH yung cleanser nila rito. So sige. You know what's nice about yung mga products ni KKV is may translation talaga siya sa likod. Ayan, ito. This is a gentle cleanser. And then meron ka pang mushroom soothing mask. And then meron ka pang crystal milk. So I'm guessing that's sort of like parang toner na medyo may pagka-moisturizer. And then essence water. So siguro yun yung toner. In fairness etong other one naman, it's the same. Gentle cleanser, brightening toner, brightening emulsion, and cotton pad. So I'm guessing this one is more for like aging or drier skin types. Ito kasi may konting brightening benefit, so I think I might actually get this one. Pero technically, mas sulit ito kasi 4 products na siya eh. Ito 3 lang, nilagyan lang nila ng cotton pad. Naku, mamaya na tayo mag-decide. Ilagay na natin sila both, di ba? Alam mo, in fairness dito, kunyari, galing ka sa Rejuve, tapos gusto mo lang bumili ng mas mura na set na medyo mild yung ingredients, you might actually find a good replacement here. Okay, ito ano to? Multi-peptide eye cream for 199 pesos. Usually, di ba yung pag nakakita kayo ng eye cream, sila yung pinakamahal sa isang skincare range or skincare line. Pero ano ang nagagawa niya? Well, yun. Puro peptides siya. I mean, if you are getting peptides for 199 pesos, aarte pa ba tayo? It also has some fermented ingredients like lactobacillus, Saccharomyces. Dahil may dark under eyes ako, I think I might add this to my cart. They also have a lot of essences na single use, as in yung mga ganyan. And yung mga ganito, yung parang one use lang siya, or single use nga pala. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not so much a user of essences. Hindi naman sila bad. Personally lang, mas gusto kong straightforward yung routine ko. Pero wait, meron akong nakita for acne-prone skin. Dr. Alva. O, diba? Kabahan na si Dr. Alvin. So this is the Dr. Alva Clear Acne Purifying and Balancing Lotion. I guess parang essence siya for acne-prone skin. So I just want to swatch it. Obviously, I don't know yet if this is effective or not, but I just want to see the texture. But it's a very emulsion type of product. Sobrang konti lang yung nalagay ko. Hindi naman siya sticky. Pero ang price niya kasi is 759 pesos. So, yung essences na section niya medyo mataas yung price Well, hindi mo rin naman kailangan ng essences in your routine. So kung wala kang budget, you can just skip the essences. Meron din silang foam. Yes, it is a gentle cleansing foam. But this one is 459. Ito meron namang 359. And this one, they actually say it. Amino acid foaming facial cleanser na may ceramides na pH 5.5. Oh wow, it says also that it's cleansing and it's sunscreen removing. In fairness, dito kay Peterson's Lab, like it's not the cheapest brand here, but it seems to be the most consistent sa mga products na nakikita ko. In terms of, siguro yung mga parang evidence-based na features in a skincare product. Tapos puro ceramides. Ito naman tayo sa katabi nilang section. Okay, mga ano na to, medyo pang makeup na to yung mga puff. In fairness 139 for an entire set already. Ito personally, marirecommend ko for those na nagre-reapply ng sunscreens. So, meron ka makeup, diba? And then, ilalagay mo yung sunscreen dito. Tapos, very carefully mo siyang ipapat para hindi mahulas yung makeup. Pero sige, check pa tayo dito. Oh, they have pimple patches and acne patches. Wow, meron din silang mandelic acid. But, very interesting because mandelic acid is a really good AHA. Kung mahilig kayo sa AHA or gusto niyo ng AHA sa routine niyo pero yung glycolic acid is masyadong matapang for you, you can try mandelic acid. It's one of the more gentle na acids na medyo mas focused din on brightening. 5%. So this might be good for beginners ng AHA. 599 pesos siya though, although siguro given na wala pa masyadong mandelic acid options in the market, it might be a good option. So meron din silang parang mas pang-beginner version, I guess, or mas mild na version. Nilagay nila sa pad, and based on what I'm seeing here, hindi ako fully nakakaintindi ng Chinese as in half lang ako, pero my guess is, i-verify ko to after, 1% yung mandelic acid niya, and then 0.5% of another ingredient. Oh! Ito meron siyang salicylic acid, so baka 0.5% salicylic. Gamitin natin ang Google Translate. Buti na lang talaga, may Google Translate na tayo sa day and age na to, no? Para alam natin. Ay, okay. So, baliktad. So, tingnan yung translation. 1% salicylic acid plus 0.5% mandelic acid. Oh my God. Parang ito yung kukunin ko. Parang kukunin ko to. Oh my God. Tapos meron pa siyang dipotassium glycerizate, which is brightening and soothing. Tranexamic acid. Dito ako medyo na-intriga talaga itong mandelic acid pad na may 1% salicylic acid. So, i-add to cart natin to. Ay, ang cute. Oh, may ganyan siya kung gusto mo ng shapes. Meron din silang ganito. Kasi usually gumagamit ako ng pimple patch to kind of like conceal the patch. Hindi kasi bagay sa akin yung ganito eh, di ba? So, okay na tayo sa section na to. Tingin naman tayo here. Ano bang meron dito? Ito naman, yung parang hydrating spray. Ito yung kapag sobrang init sa labas, tapos gusto mo mag-freshen up, pwede mo tong i-mist. Ay, perfect to. Parang gusto ko to bilhin. So, sige, add natin siya. Looks very interesting. Okay, anyway, move na tayo dito sa kabilang side para naman makita natin ano meron dito. And yung buong section ni Peterson's Lab, yung kanina pa natin nakikita, Pioneering Dermatological Science. Boogs! I am seeing other things na parang promising. Meron silang niacinamide toner with 5% niacinamide, which is perfect kasi ang 5% niacinamide, hanggang dun lang yung kailangan mo to get all the benefits. Di ba may mga iba hanggang 10% pa? Di mo na kailangan yun, just 2 to 5%, studies say that's enough for you to get yung mga benefits ng niacinamide. Like for example, for dark spots, for the skin barrier, for well aging, and also to help a little bit in supporting your acne medications. Medyo on the upper range yung brand na to though. This is 399 pesos. Meron pa sila Super Acne Sniper. Bogs. 2% salicylic acid, 5% sulfur, which I think is a underrated or hindi masyadong nagagamit ng mga brands na ingredient, 20% zinc oxide to soothe, and 2% azelamide MEA. So I guess it's a derivative of azelaic acid. 499 siya though. Sige na nga, para lang matry. Actually, sobrang interested talaga ako dito sa Peterson's Lab eh. Very promising talaga. Tapos ito, may gentle cleanser din sila na $3.99. If you're looking for like the evidence-based parang brand in KKV, si Peterson's Lab yung puntahan ninyo. Meron silang 2% salicylic acid pore cleanser. I think I'm gonna get this one also. Para sa akin naman yung skincare routine na to so pagbigyan nyo na ako. Actually, alam nyo, parang mag-give in na ako. Parang very promising din talaga yung mattifying nila na moisturizer. Parang kukunin ko na siya. Ito, 459 na mattifying. Baka maganda. Ito naman, Boogs. Best choice for oily skincare. Tingnan nga natin. Anti-acne Refreshing Gentle Mask. Face mask. Hindi naman ako ma-face mask eh. Parang hindi ako masyadong mabubudol dito. Hindi talaga ako ma-face mask. But speaking of, ayan na, yung buong hilera ng mga face masks. And actually, ito yung pinakamura nilang product dito. May 49 pesos and actually, punta kayo dito, tingnan nyo. Ito yung 49 pesos na masks nila. Meron pang 25 pesos. Meron pang 19 pesos. Nakakaloka. Kung ako pipili, ano ba yung magandang mask dito? Hopefully one that has like maybe like niacinamide. And I think it's around here. Yung mga oil control mask. Wow, ito may salicylic acid yung mask nyo. Ito mukhang promising, like the ceramide mask. Although I do want to be clear guys, like kung bibili man ako ng mask, I would use it for somewhere na parang medyo on the go ako. Kunyari may racket ako, tapos kailangan ko mag-skin prep kasi magme-makeup ako for a shoot. Let's say walang makeup artist. Then medyo sensible to use a face mask. Pero kung sa bahay ka lang naman mag-hydrate, magsa-skin prep, then it makes more sense to get a hydrating toner. Diba? Kasi ito, ang binabayaran nyo rito, yung convenience. But ako, if I were to get one thing, it would probably be the ceramide mask. Kasi nagmamask lang naman ako para mas ma-nourish yung skin barrier ko. So doon ako sa 49 pesos price range. Ay, pero palaban din tong 39 pesos. So tingnan nyo. 39 pesos for a ceramide soothing moisturizing mask. Ay, from Kiss Diary. Ito rin. I would probably try this one. Oh, and meron siyang beta-glucan. Okay, I think this is kung ano yung bibilin ko if I were to choose any of these masks. Elbow na tong si Cormesic, na kapatid ni Biogesic. O sige, so pagbigyan natin ng sarili natin. Para lang matry, ilagay na natin siya sa cart. Okay, and on the other side, ano to? Feeling ko parang mga body wash to eh. Oo, pero ang ganda ng packaging natin na niyo. Fragrance shower wash. Ah, okay. Mga florals. I'm actually in my fragrance era also. Pero nag-stop muna ako temporarily kasi girl, nagka-sinusitis ako. So hindi ko muna pwedeng abusuhin ang aking ilong. But they have a lot of fragrance shower gels here for 299. And actually, meron pang lower, 229 pesos. Tingnan natin kung gentle cleansing agents man lang. Pwede na. SLES, so it's not just SLS. And naghalo sila ng ibang mga mas gentle cleansing agents like Cocamida propylbetaine. So technically, pwede to for the body. And oh my God, meron din silang alpha hydroxy acid if you look at the packaging. May glycolic acid and may lactic acid siya. So may AHAs, may PHAs, and may salicylic acid. Oh my God, parang gusto ko ito i-try. Sige, why not? Okay, sige, lagay natin siya. Ito naman, scrubs. So, X na agad because I don't use scrubs. Meron din silang Huco Acid Body Essence Lotion. Oh, for the body. And it says it's smoothing. Ano to? 5.5%. Looks like an AHA. Oh, it's a PHA na body essence lotion. I-Google translate natin but I think this means 5.5% exfoliating acids. Buti lang talaga may Google Translate tayo. Thank you, Lord. 5 acid compound. Improve rough hoe. Ano po yung hoe? Ay, hindi. Yan yung HO na nakalagay dito. So, 5 acid compound to target yung roughness. Ang mga chicken skin or yung mga bumps for 359 pesos, okay yun. As in, pag tinignan niyo yung video ko na brightening body lotions, may kita niyo yung isang option is parang 1K plus, yung isa 600 plus pesos or 500 to 600 pesos sa Watsons. This is actually the first one that I've seen that has a significant amount of exfoliating acids. I think this is really good. I think this might be one of my favorite finds dito. Shout out kay Huco, and maganda rin yung packaging niyo. Diba? Add to cart natin yan. And then dito naman sa taas, ano to? It's giving pinakurat. Na para bang pwede mo nang isawsawang chicharon. Sobrang wrong. But this is the Sweet Cherry Shower Gel. It's 179 pesos, 245 ml. So less than 1 peso per ml, I believe. So punta naman tayo dun sa other side. Actually, meron pang iilang mga products doon, but they're not necessarily skincare anymore. I just wanna go through them really fast to see kung ano pa bang magagandang mga finds dito in terms of products. Meron sila mga hand creams dito. Ayun naman si Rocking Zoo. To be honest with you guys, kapag hand creams, okay lang ako na medyo ma-fragrance siya. Kasi kapag mabango din talaga yung kamay mo, medyo parang plus points din talaga siya sa mga kasama mo, di ba? Boosh. Ooh, this one smells like pineapple. Parang gusto ko siya bilhin actually. Mabango siya eh. Sobrang favorite ko yung mga pineapple na smell. Etong hand cream na to, meron siyang niacinamide. This is the Watercom Niacinamide Moisturizing Hand Cream. Even has arbutin. Wow. So pang brightening siya ng kamay. So I guess, well, wala naman akong dark spots sa kamay. Pero wow, 3% niacinamide palaban. Ay, parang sorry kay pineapple. Parang mas love ko ang skin barrier ko. Actually, hindi. Parang both sila gusto ko kunin. Alam niyo, pagbigyan niyo na ako, minsan lang naman ako nagiging ganito eh. Nabudol ng hand cream. Cooling body wipes. O, yan yung mga sumisikat. Sa mga, alam mo yung pag naiinitan ka, tapos pag nilagay mo raw to or pinunas mo siya sa'yo, tapos ginanong-ganon mo yung damit mo, parang instant aircon. Pero what I want to warn you guys, okay lang naman gumamit ng ganito, pero be careful lang kasi yung mga ibang sensitive yung skin. Baka ma-irritate. So just make sure that your skin is not super sensitive to mga fragrances, and yung mga products kasi like these, gamit nila menthol eh. Mas less prone ka to irritation if you use yung mga lotion compared to yung sa mga wipes. Kasi usually mga wipes, meron yung mga parang pang-cleanse na mga ingredients. Usually kapag nagsistay yun sa skin mo, mas prone to irritation. Versus if you got a body lotion, meron kang mga moisturizing, mga hydrating na ingredients, so it'll help counteract. So actually gusto ko i-try yung cooling body lotion. Baka maganda naman siya. Okay, check lang natin tong nasa likod. Ito mga hair care products. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't really use a lot of stuff for the hair. Parang mga hair styling products ang gamit, yung mga waxes, ganyan. And satisfied na ako. So skip ko na yan. Ay, ang cute nito. Burger na wipes. Tapos may protease pa siya. So meaning, very, 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 very mild exfoliating. Hala, parang gusto ko bumili just because na para bang wala siyang baby wipes. And they use mild detergents. Daw. Hindi ko sure. Tingnan natin. Ang cute. So kung itatanong mo ko, kailan ba ako gumagamit ng wipes? Again, kapag on the go lang. Well, I guess kung meron kang baby, this might be helpful kung nasa labas kayo a lot. But it's not something I would use regularly for my skincare routine dahil pwede ka namang mag-double cleanse. Pwede ka namang mag-micellar water. Pwede ka mag-oil cleanser. Pero for general hygiene, hala, ang cute talaga niya. Isa lang, huwag tayo masyadong abuso. Parang mas cute yung burger. Parang papatol ako sa burger. Actually, mamaya pa naman tayo mag-filter. So, silang dalawa muna. Sabay mamaya silang dalawa din yung kukunin ko. Hindi! Tapos meron pa siyang baby hand wash. Ito yung kapag ginanyan mo, pinump mo, may lalabas na flower shape na foam sa kamay. Ay! And gentle yung cleansing agents. That is not bad at all. Oh my God, kukunin ko na to. Oh, and they also have sunscreens here. Sunscreen sprays for 399 pesos. Meron silang sunscreen for 199 pesos na water resistant. Totoo ba? This is from the brand Blue Lizard and Baby Lizard. SPF 50 PA3+. Alam nyo, medyo na-curious ako. Para lang matry, bibiling ko sila. Itong smaller muna para hindi tayo masyadong mabudol. Ito may smaller version yung skin-friendly moisturizing sunscreen from a while ago. So ito yung kukunin ko. 79 peso sunscreen. Again, I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna recommend this to you guys, but I just wanna see what the consistency of this is. Kasi, girl, 79 pesos. I mean, ganito rin naman kasi siya kaliit. Meron din tayong 299. Apparently, this is a high-power sunscreen. Okay, parang meron din titanium dioxide. Nararamdaman ko na. Pero nag-blend siya, oh. Wow, may advanced UV filters pa siya. Try na rin natin. It's also a sports sunscreen. I guess water-resistant siya. Add na rin natin yan. Okay, and the rest of these are hair products. Again, marami pa akong mga hair products. Check natin ito. Ito mga cotton products. Again, I also don't use cotton products that much. Oral care, meron din silang toothpaste. Oh my God! Kailangan ko to. Nasal rinse seawater spray dahil nga may rhinitis ang gay. Okay, kunin ko to. O, diba? Meron pa palang mabibili dito for sinusitis, rhinitis girlies. Parang, oh my God. Ooh, oh my God. Yung kapag nagsusot ka ng sapatos tapos nagkakasugat-sugat ka sa likod, kailangan ko to. Sa event ko kahapon, grabe to makaano sa akin eh. And nasal strips for 99 pesos, di ba? Nawala na sa skincare section, di ba? Skin pa naman to technically, di ba? Skin pa naman to sa part ng paa. Itong nasal strips, I know this is not skincare, pero I've been wanting to try this for the longest time. So sige, try na natin. Mosquito repellent. Meron din silang mosquito repellent gel. Super nakaka-curious yung gel. So, I might get that. And dito, pagkain na to. Mga ano na to, mga Snoopy snacks. At dahil nakita na natin ang pagkain, signal na natin para tumigil. So mukhang tapos na tayo. It's shopping for our KKV skincare haul. Ito yung mga top options ko. So let's go to a corner and then inarrow down na natin yung mga products na bibilin ko. Alright, so nandito na tayo sa home section. Hindi tayo bibili ng mga home products, pero dito lang kasi medyo tahimik. So, para makapagpili tayo ng mga skincare products, ina-narrow down na natin yung routine natin, okay? So, for our face wash, ang final two ko, itong Amino Acid Mild Cleanser and itong Baby Bubble Wash. Kaso, na-realize ko na hand wash pala to. So, babalik tayo dito sa old option ko, the Amino Acid Mild Cleanser. That is my final pick. So, for our cleansers, ang nakuha ko are, we have the Amino Acid Mild Cleanser from Little Dream Garden. And then we also have the Pure and Fresh Makeup Remover from the KKV brand. And also the Smooth Makeup Remover Balm. So, though I like this, meron pa tong prebiotic complex. But, hindi kasi ako masyado magamit ng micellar water. Like, I really prefer to just dispense a product and then put it all over my face. So, I'm gonna go with the Makeup Remover Balm. So, ito yung final two ko or yung final picks ko na mga cleansers. I also got yung dalawang mga sets for mga skincare products. But, hindi naman ako magta-travel anytime soon, so tanggalin ko na siya. So that leaves us with our moisturizer. Parang isa lang yung nakuha ko atang moisturizer. Yung kay Peterson's Lab. So the M Mattifier. I decided to get it kasi mukhang promising talaga si Peterson's Lab eh. So yun yung final pick ko for my moisturizer. Eye cream na 199 pesos. You know, it's very promising. Pero right now, honestly, I feel like I don't really need an eye cream. So remove ko na rin siya. Next naman, for mga skin treatments natin. So actually lahat to, Peterson's Lab. So I have the BHA Pore Cleanser. Actually, technically, face wash pala to. Then we also have the B3 Shiny Toner. Super Acne Sniper na spot treatment. Definitely, ang first priority ko is the acne spot treatment because I do get pimples here and there. The B3 Shiny Toner, it's not a need, sa totoo lang. So, baka hindi ko na-go tong niacinamide toner. Marami namang niacinamide products na in the market. I think it's the same with the BHA Pore Cleanser. Marami naman ng 2% na salicylic acid face washes eh. So I feel like I don't need it. Another one sa mga skin treatments natin, itong Romacin Mandelic Acid Pad. I also am very curious about this, so i-add to cart ko siya. This is also part of my final picks. Alright, so next naman, mga sunscreens natin. Itong waterproof anti-sweat or mga water resistant from Blue and Baby Lizard. And then itong Kogi Multi-Protect Sunscreen for Sport. If you had to make me choose one, kung ano ba yung pinaka confident ako na bibilin ko, I would just get yung Kogi. Pero nako-curious kasi ako parang gusto ko siyang itry talaga. So ito yung nasa routine ko, but ito I'm just gonna buy it to test it out. Next, move na tayo to our body care routine. Isa lang yung nakuha kong body wash or shower gel. This is from the brand Watercom. Ito yung shower gel nila na may mga exfoliating acids. Then, for our body care products, we have itong Huko Body Essence Lotion and the Cooling Body Lotion. Ito, just for fun lang to. But if you really want to get something functional that will benefit your skin or the skin of your body rather, itong Huko Body Essence Lotion. Then last but not the least, the Aloe Vera and Glacier Deep Hydrating Spray. Again, actually na-realize ko na hindi naman pala summer. So, save na natin to for summer. Then also, I am going to be getting itong acne patch also just to try it out as an acne-prone girly. So, yung face mask natin, this is not a priority but the Kiss Diary Ceramide Soothing Moisturizing Mask, I think, kunin ko siya. Okay, ito, lip balms and hand creams. Alam mo, nakakonsensya na ako. Ang ganda sana nito, pero dami ko pa hand cream eh. Dami ko pa rin lip products, so wag muna. O, diba? Very responsible buyer tayo sa video na to. At dahil dyan, parehong wipes na yung kukunin ko para mabawi natin. Diba? Yung isa na lang sa kotse ko, yung isa sa kondo ko. Wah, grabe yung excuse. And then ito, for my rhinitis, kasi nga rhinitis girly ako, yung mga nasal seawater spray kineme ko. And also yung mga plasters and mosquito repellent gel. Wala, nakita ko lang. Since rainy season ngayon, baka mas prone to dengue. Wow, naghahanap talaga ng use. And yun na siya. Yun na yung mga final picks ko from KKV na skincare products na actually hindi lang skincare. Meron pa tayong nasamang wellness products. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Wellness, kaartehan, di ba? Kakyutan. Pero yun na. So those are my final picks. So gagawin na natin ngayon. Magbayad na tayo. And sana hindi mahaba yung pila. So ayan na siya, our successful and complete na KKV budol. Ang dami ko talagang mga products na nabudol ako talaga. But well worth it naman. I'm actually very excited to try these products. And if you want to see them, you can go to your nearest KKV store. Again, yung pinuntahan ko, this very big branch is in Gateway 2. But they also do have other branches, like for example, sa SM North, sa SM Mall of Asia. So you can go check that out. But anyway, as you can see, hindi lang isang bag ang meron ko, pero meron din akong isa for one lucky viewer. Siyempre, kahit na skincare routine ko to, meron pa rin akong tinitira for you guys, diba? So these are some of the products na nakita nyo sa video. Mystery na lang kung ano yung mga pinili ko for you. So yun na yung clue nyo, yung mga nagustuhan kong mga products, yung mga napili ko na iba't ibang mga promising na products. So yun, if you feel like that's something na bagay sa skin type mo or sa skin concerns mo, then make sure to join our giveaway. Ilalagay na lang namin yung details sa description box on how you can join. And as per usual, if you want to see other videos of me shopping for skincare products for specific skin concerns, maglalagay na ako ng suggestions dito. Let me know what other types of shopping videos you want me to do. Kung na-enjoy nyo to, let me know kung gusto nyo ng KKV Part 2. But for now guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!